Hi YouTubers, this is ToyHound09 with another toy review. This toy review is a Galoob Micro Machines 33 Willy's Coupe. Now this Willy's Coupe has kind of an orange color to it. It has a lot of detail. It has the silver headlights on the front. It's kind of wore down because this is from my personal childhood collection. That's painted silver on the top. Actually, there's a lot of detail. So it looks like in the front. And on the side, there's the side. Painted silver on the, where there's a pipe right there. It's supposed to be like an exhaust pipe right there. It's painted black right here on the side windows. Painted black on the front windows. Then on the back, nice painted tail lights. The bumper's painted silver. A lot of detail back there. The back window is black. Then on the side, same thing as the other side. And the painted silver on the exhaust pipe. There's black right there. And then underneath it has some wear and tear because it's old and there's paint war, but it was made in '94. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this review. This is ToyHound09. Thanks for watching.